electrical faults will have no place left to hide when you put one of these Mac Tools exclusive design digital multimeters and current probes in your toolbox. If you're only performing simple voltage and continuity tests, the streamlined design of the EM112 has you covered. For more in-depth jobs, the EM721 is loaded with over 20 options and features, everything you've come to expect in a multimeter. The EM823, with its wider range, adds heavy-duty capabilities, along with a wide array of other special tests, including the ability to do battery and charging system analysis by adding the EM111 current probe, and parasitic draw tests by using the EM121 low-amp current probe. Couple that with Bluetooth technology to allow you to pair the unit with your Android or iPhone. Rest assured that finding faults will be easier than first-grade math. We also offer the EM680, capable of performing insulation testing by pushing high-voltage signals through a circuit which will short to ground if the insulation isn't properly shielded. This is a feature rarely found on most meters on the market today, but increasingly more important with the vast amount of electronics found on modern vehicles. The increasingly complex electronic systems on modern vehicles makes this Mac Tools lineup of multimeters an essential need for every technician. Mac Tools, great to work with.